Hi everyone. So we saw a lot of positivity in the market on Friday, right? Dow Jones jumped a massive 400 points on Friday. Everyone saw that. Now that is a really good sign, but it jumped upwards despite the economy destroying over 20 million jobs, right? Often we hear such a bad news and we expect the market to go down, 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 but oh my God, here the market turned up, and that is surprising. And you might be wondering, we didn't study this in our high school economics. We always thought, like, if something bad is happening, jobs are not good, the market should be going down as well. But this did not happen on Friday. I will give you an analysis of what is going on here. First, just a background to people who do not know what happened. Everyone knows due to the virus, lockdowns were implemented and they were aimed at containing the deadly COVID-19 virus, which eventually, because all the industries had to shut down, as you know, travel has been shut down, hotel industry is down, like everything is closed except for the essential services, which led to the unemployment rate up to 14.7%. 14.7%, that's massive. That's like a post-war high that economists said likely understates the devastation. And many people were cautious and they were expecting the market to go down, but it did not happen due to various reasons. So here are the reasons why I think this happened. So firstly, why the market jumped despite the unemployment was firstly because the market is forward looking and it has already anticipated a sharp but short recession, right? So there are tentative signs that the outbreak has peaked, and not every sector went down. We saw tech gaining a lot, technology sector benefiting from this pandemic. Like people jumped onto Zoom, people had to work from home, and they had to implement advanced technology just to keep the work going on, right? Pharma benefited from it. A lot of trials going on, a lot of other medicines on demand due to it, and people have become more aware. And several other industries in consumer discretionary, which are catering to the essential services market, also benefited from it. The second reason is that we can see that there has been some sort of progress towards treatments. A lot of companies are working on trials for the vaccine, and we are hearing positive signs from it. This positivity, has led people investing in the hope to make gains in near future. Like a lot of people, a lot of medical companies are doing the trials, and we can see a lot of success or maybe success in the near future, right? So that is number two. The third reason is that the Federal Reserve's unleashing of unprecedented monetary stimulus and lending backstops with the promise to do more and a raft of federal spending aimed at shoring up workers and companies has led to mixed reviews. A lot of people which we have witnessed is like getting these packages and investing in the stock market and becoming more aware financially as well. Even in Australia, we can see like a lot of people who have been able to withdraw their superannuation or their retirement money are now spending their money on stock exchange just to make quick gains, right? So these are quite positive reasons, and this could explain a bit as to why the market went up. Now, even though the market went up, it also we have to look into the future as well, right? So the real game is all about to come to the consumer spending. If you're all sitting inside and not out spending money around September to October, the market's not going to like that, and the market will go down eventually. One of the senior global market strategists at Wells Fargo also said that if consumers do not spend money in the near future or the near months coming up, then the market might be affected adversely. But it all depends on how soon the vaccine is going to come in. Now, whether the consumers are out spending or shut inside come fall, of course, will depend on large part on how this virus plays out. While infections and the death rate in New York, which is the center of the outbreak in US and other hotspots have turned lower, outbreaks have worsened in the other parts of the country, and there's still a lot that needs to be contained. So all will depend on the future and how that plays out and how that will affect the market, right? But I still believe that there are a lot of positive signs, especially with the trials going on and people, taking advantage of the stock exchange, gaining trust in that. And that has led to market increase gradually, right? So subscribe to the video if you want more content coming up and give it a thumbs up. See ya.